was trying to make the pack touchdown. My niggas driving, that's some shit I don't want to do. These niggas capping, keep it G, which one?
What it is, what it ain't. What's up, everybody? It's your girl B Octavia, and I'm back with another video. I'm looking, basic, but in today's video I will be showing you guys how to wear a half wig as a whole wig and no leave out. So before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video, get me out there, put me out there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. So I'm gonna start off by doing my edges, and I'm gonna take my edge tool and this edge control. It is the Gorilla Snot Gel Rocker Row, some shit, I don't know, it looks like this. So now I'm going to take this half wig. This is the Outre Quick Weave Dominican Curly. I got it in 1B. Okay, so this is her. It is one large comb here at the front and one in the back. To keep it on, I might sew one on each side right here just to keep it secure. So I'm just going to rip this thing off. No. And let's try her on. Whoa, this is big. So basically, the gist of what I would do, especially with this hair because it's big. Ooh, I like this. I would kind of just leave this part flowing to the front, but just in case the wind is trying to expose me, what I would do is just sweep some hair and tuck it. Sweep some hair and tuck it under behind your ear, and you can do the same on the other side. And let me see. So that's basically the gist of what I would do. I would just pull it forward and then just sweep it, you know what I'm saying, so that you can see the edges or whatever, and then I'm done. I'm in love with this pattern. Like, it's giving me everything I need for the winter, honestly. I am in love with this. Stay tuned for this in the springtime, a different color. Maybe ombre or something. But I'm in love. This is cute. I will have the link below of where I got this wig. And I hope you guys love this hair on me. It's so light and fluffy. It doesn't feel heavy at all, which I love. And it's pretty long. Like, I'm 5'2", so like at my lower stomach. So this is really cute and perfect for the wintertime. Perfect wintertime hair. Perfect, like, you want to feel yourself, because especially with my hair was short before and it was straight, it just wasn't really giving my face what it needs. I'm really satisfied with this, and it looks layered. It's like, you know, like that. So I like that. This is the perfect curly hair for the winter. I do suggest everybody go out and get it. And I will see y'all in my next video. I just wanted to do this for y'all because a lot of people be thinking like this my hair and yada yada. So I just had to do it for the one time. And I don't have no leave out, you know. And I felt good. I feel wonderful. So if you like this video, give it a like. You know, if you like this hair, give it a like. This is again the Dominican curly hair. So yeah, I will come back to you with different ways that I like to style this hair, but this is just the main one, you know, very simple. You know, you need to leave the house really soon type of thing, so you can just pop it on and go. Well, you gotta do your edges, because I mean, it just goes with it. I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
My eyes, I ain't believe you. Stressing over bitches, I can never bitches see through.